data scientist has been declared as the sexiest job of the 21st century by Thomas Davenport in his famous article in Harvard Business Review, which got published somewhere in 2011. Since then, what data science has received is an incredible amount of attention from both practitioners as well as academicians. Now, there are two schools of thoughts generally associated with data scientists. One, completely thriving on mathematics, statistical-based algorithm, driving deeper sense from the data that they dig in deep on day-to-day basis. While on the flip side, there are IT professionals who claim to come up with their coding and programming skills and put across a picture of data science that has never been seen before. In my opinion, none of them can stand alone in this world which is getting complex day by day. Rather, I believe that data scientist is a person who's a little better statistician than a programmer and a little better programmer than a statistician. The debate is here to stay for long till the subject finds its real establishment in times to come.